Morning guys, hindi tayo makatakbo ngayon kasi look, snow na naman. So kaya ngayon is mag-relax. Punta muna akong church and then I'm going to Best Buy to return my battery on my GoPro Max because it's not fit. It's 6 degrees. It's very chilly and windy and it's cold. So look, my outfit for today. My church is just on my neighborhood, so it's just walking. So windy, and I don't have my gloves. Happy New Year, everybody! I hope everybody has a good and healthy New Year. Bye! Guys, ito na sa Best Buy. Look at the Christmas tree. Walang ganong tao. Panera bread! Sobrang lamig kaya walang ganong mag New Year shopping. And punta tayo papuntang Escalidor. Going to Best Buy. Guys, dyan ako pupunta para sa ako battery sa Pro Max.